Hey guys, today we're going to walk around the 2022 Cherokee 274AK. This camper is at 34 feet 2 inches, gross vehicle weight of 9,985 pounds, dry weight of 7,027 pounds. This camper is what I like to call a sweetheart camper, kind of built more towards you and your significant other. You can have a couple people over with the sofa and the dinette that folds down into a bed. But more built towards just you and your significant other camping by yourselves and relaxing. Let's take a walk around it and check it out. Here we are on the outside of the 2022 Cherokee 274AK. Cherokee does it once again, power tongue jack, 30-pound propane tanks. Let's take a walk around on the outside and check it out. Not true pass-through storage on this camper because on the other side there's a little bit of hardware on the other side there. But nice big storage. It helps get to the underside of the bed, and of course when you lift up the bed you can access that as well. You have your solar controller underneath of here, a little bit of lighting, so nice big access. Walking down the side of the camper, Cherokee always puts on their glass doors, gives it that nice clean look. Of course you can see your fingerprints when you touch it, but still nice clean look. Outside kitchen on this, they give you the traditional propane stove 2-burner, nice little ice machine, spray port to be able to clean out your fish or anything like while you're doing that, as well as a small little refrigerator to keep all your adult and kid beverages. Back here you have access to the main living area. The door in the front goes to the bedroom. This one goes to the main living area. So you're going to have a little bit more access going in and out of everything. So here we are on the inside of the 274AK. As soon as you walk in, you're going to see these two movable recliners, 100% freestanding. Of course, they bolt down. Not bolt down, but they are strapped down with a strap while you're traveling. Nice big windows on all three sides here. Let a lot of natural light in. So kind of give you that open at-home feel with you and your significant other. Rotating around, you got a big U-shaped dinette here for when you have people over. You can play euchre. Of course, when you cook your grilled cheese and tomato soup, nice big place to eat. And of course, you're going to see the big 55-inch TV back there, right across from the sofa here, so that way you can watch TV and it's right across from the sofa. Or if you're playing cards or anything and you're watching the game, it's right there. So of course, while you're watching TV or watching the football game, if you want to lay down and relax, or the honey wants to watch a little romantic movie, you want to help set the mood, you can basically walk over here, rotate this up. Now you have a nice little sofa or a bed over here, or if you have somebody who wants to stay the night. And of course, if you want to put it back into couch mode, just grab it here, rotate it back over. Now we're in the kitchen of the unit here. Of course, you got your nice little 3-burner cooktop, little oven on the bottom, nice little microwave above, and of course your evacuation fan for when you burn your grilled cheese. Again, they do the nice little single basin black stainless steel sink with the cover over top of it, give you a little bit more counter space. Nice big pantry, of course, there. And of course, you got your nice glass fronted 12-volt refrigerator here. So as soon as the battery's turned on, it's refrigerating. So here we are in the bathroom of this camper. Of course, it has 2 entrances as well as an outside entrance there. Nice big corner shower here with the skylight. So if you're nice and tall like I am, you have plenty of headroom. Nice little hanging rack for all your robes or anything like you have there. Nice little toilet access for plenty of room. And of course you have your vanity and sink here, so when you're doing your makeup, making yourself look nice and pretty, if you're a night out, you're ready to go. And of course, here we are in the bedroom. Nice queen bed here, plenty of walk space on each side, plenty of room to maneuver. Nice cabinetry on both sides, as well as cabinetry above the bed here. Nice little end table on each side. And of course, with the queen bed, you can lift it up and you have access to that nice big storage underneath that goes all the way to the outside. So again, nice bedroom, nice place for the mount there, so that way you can watch a movie while you're getting ready to go to sleep, watch the end of the game, or just relax and listen to the sounds of the ocean with whales going on, so that way it helps you put you to sleep. Thanks for joining me in the walkthrough of this 2022 Cherokee 274AK. Of course, you can see me repping this new shirt that we got here. Helps represent the new partnership we have with the Ohio Department of Natural Resources. On the back, you can see a little bit more information on that. as well as if you go to our website, rvwholesalers.com, there's more information to that on there, as well as on Facebook or YouTube. As well as on YouTube, you can see more walkthroughs of more campers, gain a little bit more information as well as knowledge. We do information on there. My name is Dalton. Give me a shout. Hope to hear from you.